Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here. Are you ready to learn the names of ocean animals? Please hit that subscribe button and be sure to share this video. Let's get started. First up, we have the crab. Watch you don't get pinched by him. Next up, the cute little sea turtle. Next, we have a little starfish. And here we have an octopus. And look at this, a beautiful little seahorse. Then there is coral, which helps to form reefs. Then there is the clamshell, or the clam. And look, here is a pufferfish. Then we have the manta ray. And here is a happy little jellyfish. In the ocean, there are regular saltwater fish, just like this little fellow. Then, there are huge fish like this whale. Then, the predators of the ocean, sharks. And finally, the playful and very smart dolphin. That was so much fun. Now you know the names of different ocean animals. Which ocean animals are your favorite? Thanks for watching. Remember to share and subscribe below. See you all next time.